The drone industry has hit a crossroads, and everyone is looking at the same horizon. For years, we've been told that Mini meant compromise, that if you wanted a drone under 249 grams to bypass the heavy hand of FAA regulations, you had to settle for smaller sensors and shorter flight times. But as we move deeper into 2026, the whispers coming out of DJI supply chain in Shenzhen aren't just loud. They are revolutionary. We're talking about a machine that shouldn't legally exist under current weight constraints, yet here it is. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is no longer a myth. It is the calculated answer to a world that wants cinema-grade power in a pocket-sized frame. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. What makes the Mini 6 Pro the most anticipated tech release of the year isn't just a spec bump. It is the integration of Nightscape LiDAR, a technology previously reserved for high-end enterprise drones, now shrunk down to fit in the palm of your hand. Imagine flying in pitch-black conditions through a dense forest or a complex urban environment and having the drone see every branch and wire with millimeter precision. This isn't just safety, it's a whole new way of storytelling. When we look at the core of this beast, the rumored 1-inch stack Titan sensor is the crown jewel. For the first time, a sub-250G drone is expected to deliver native 6K video at 60 frames per second. To put that in perspective, that's more raw data than the original Mavic Pro could handle, packed into a body that doesn't even require a registration sticker in the United States. This sensor doesn't just capture light, it understands it, utilizing a new AI-driven image processor that mimics the human eye's dynamic range. Shadows that used to be a muddy mess are now rich with detail, and highlights that used to blow out in the midday sun are now perfectly preserved. The transmission system is another leap into the future. DJI's O5 system is reportedly making its debut here, promising a 25-kilometer range with a bulletproof 1080p/60 FPS live feed. In the interference-heavy environments of major USA cities, where older drones would stutter and lose signal behind a single concrete building, the Mini 6 Pro is designed to maintain a rock-solid link using new software-defined radio frequencies. There's even talk of an integrated 5G module, allowing the drone to stay connected via cellular networks when a standard remote signal is blocked. This means truly limitless exploration. But perhaps the most shocking rumor is the battery life. We have lived in the 30 to 40-minute era for far too long. The 2026 leaks suggest a new high-density solid-state battery cell that could push the Mini 6 Pro to an unbelievable 60 minutes of flight time. An hour in the air with a single charge? That changes the math for every professional creator. You no longer have to rush your shots or worry about the return to home beep mid-sunset. You can wait for the light, reposition 10 times, and still have juice left for the landing. Design-wise, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to adopt a more aggressive aerodynamic profile. The arms are slimmer but stronger, utilizing a new carbon fiber composite that sheds grams while increasing wind resistance. This drone isn't just light, it's stable. In high altitude or coastal winds where previous Minis would struggle, the 6 Pro uses its enhanced motor torque to remain locked in place. It's a tool that respects the professional but remains accessible to the hobbyist. As we analyze the market, it's clear DJI is also diversifying. The Leto series rumors suggest a secondary line, but the Mini 6 Pro remains the flagship of the compact world. It is the drone that makes the Air series look over-encumbered and the Mavic series look specialized. For the USA audience, where portability is king and the Part 107 hustle is real, the Mini 6 Pro is the ultimate loophole. It is a professional camera that happens to fly, a legal bypass that happens to produce IMAX quality footage. We are standing on the edge of a new era in aerial cinematography. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just the next drone. It's the final argument that size no longer dictates power. If these leaks hold true, and the FCC filing suggests they will, the summer of 2026 will belong to this tiny Titan. The question isn't whether you should buy it. The question is what will. you create when the limits of weight and light are finally gone. The horizon is waiting, and for the first time, you don't need a heavy bag to reach it. This is the future, and it weighs exactly 249 grams.